Hi everyone! In this lesson, we will learn how to make words plural in Turkish language. So let's start. Many people think that making plural in Turkish is very difficult. In fact, it's not. On the contrary, it's very easy. And the reason is very simple, because there are only two possible options. We have two possible endings. That is why the rule depends on two-way vowel harmony rule. Let me simplify it. The whole rule depends on the last vowel in the word. So if the vowel in the last syllable of the word is one of the four possible hard vowels, which are a, ı, o, or u, then you would add the ending lar. And if the vowel in the last syllable of the word is one of the four soft vowels, namely e, I, ö, or ü, then you would add the ending ler. That's it. There is nothing more to know about this rule. So let's see some examples below. In the first word, araba, the last vowel in the word is a, which is a hard vowel. Therefore, the plural will be arabalar. In the word kalem, the last vowel is e, which is a soft vowel. Therefore, the plural of the word will be kalemler. In the word düğün, which means wedding, the last vowel is ü, which is again a soft vowel. Therefore, the plural will be düğünler. In the word kadın, the last vowel is ı, which is a hard vowel. Therefore, the plural of the word will be kadınlar. In the word yağmur, which means rain, the last vowel is u, which is again a hard vowel. Therefore, the plural of the word will be yağmurlar. You see how easy it is? It's just two possible endings, nothing else. Now, note that the same rule applies to adjectives and verbs too. For example, think about the case when you watch a game. It may be a soccer game, and you say that the whites will win. That is the same in Turkish. So for the word beyaz, you will say beyazlar. It's lar because the last vowel in the word is a. Same for yeşil, which means green. If you want to say the greens will lose, you will use the plural of the word yeşil, namely yeşiller. For the word güçlü, which means strong and ends in the soft vowel, you will use güçlüler, which would mean the strong ones. What about verbs? In verbs, the plural endings lar or ler matter in the third person plural. So let's look at the examples below. If you want to say they will do, which means the future tense, you will say yapacaklar. Why lar? Because the last vowel in yapacak is a. It's a hard vowel. If you want to say they drank, which is a past tense, you will say içtiler. Why ler? Because the last vowel in the word is i. If you want to say they are sitting, you will say oturuyorlar. Again, lar because the last vowel is o, a hard vowel. And last, if you want to say they would go, you would say giderler. Why ler? Because the last vowel in the word is e, which is a soft vowel. Now, as with every rule, there are exceptions to this rule too. But exceptions to this rule are just few. Look at the examples below. All of the words below, saat, metal, gol, and kalp, end in hard vowel. However, the ending that these words get is ler. Now, you will not find this exception in original Turkish words. These exceptions are mostly peculiar to the imported words into Turkish language. So that's basically it about the rule. Let's practice the rule with some examples before we finish. In the word masa, the last vowel is a hard vowel. Therefore, the plural will be masalar. In the word çocuk, the last vowel is a hard vowel U. Therefore, the plural will be çocuklar. In the word çiçek, the last vowel is a soft vowel E. Therefore, the plural will be çiçekler. In the word göl, the single vowel is a soft vowel Ö. Therefore, the plural will be göller. In the word sokak, the last vowel is a hard vowel A. Therefore, the plural will be sokaklar. In the word ölüm, which means death, the last vowel is Ü, which is a soft vowel. Therefore, the plural will be ölümler. In the word asil, which is by the way an adjective, the last vowel is E, which is a soft vowel. Therefore, the plural of this adjective will be asiller. In the word odun, the last vowel is a hard vowel U. Therefore, the plural will be odunlar. In the word el, the single vowel is E, which is a soft vowel. The plural will be eller. In the word oda, the last vowel is a hard vowel A. Therefore, the plural will be odalar. And last, in the word kırmızı, which is again an adjective, the last vowel is a hard vowel I. Therefore, the plural of this adjective will be kırmızılar. That's it for this lesson. Congratulations, you now know how to make words plural in Turkish language. See you in the next lessons. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel below for more videos on Turkish grammar, vocabulary and pronunciation. Also, if you think this video can benefit somebody else, please share it with them. Last, if you have any comment or request, please provide your feedback in the comment section below and I'll do my best to respond as soon as possible.